Hi everyone, welcome to Winged Lens by SwarupFPV. I am Swarup and let's start today's flight. So today we are going to be flying from our house terrace. Let me sit down and wait for the GPS signals to come in. We are currently at 6 or 8. I think a good signal would be like around 10 satellites. It's increasing. It will be there in no time. Enjoy the flight. It is really some other type of experience flying all over the city area. So many houses appearing so small, all the skyscrapers in the distance, the skyline, the horizon, everything looks amazing. And this DJI 40 air unit, the camera quality is just breathtaking. Can't emphasize more on that. The amazing thing is that it is constantly streaming 1080p video at 100 fps in my eyes and the goggles, so it's like amazing experience, to be honest. DJI has come a long way with these FPV systems they are releasing. Like, we generally know DJI for creating the DJI Mavic series and their basic commercial drone series that they sell to people, but things that they're bringing out for FPV, really commendable. And here we meet with this flock of pigeons. They're very cute. They're flying in formation. I hope I don't disturb them. Okay. Oh my god, okay. I think I almost hit one of them. Currently, I can't spot my own house. I have to take the help of this GPS satellite thingy, the arrow mark you're seeing rotating in the middle of the screen. So yeah, that will help me guide back to home. And also I have the distance meter as a OSD element, so that will also help me get back home. But currently we are at good battery condition, I mean at good voltage, so I think it will be fine. Okay, now we are approaching landing. I was a bit in the silent side because I was a bit scared with that eagle around me. Like, don't know, it's a eagle or a hawk or whatever it is, but I don't think it is liking our presence in the sky. Maybe it's its own personal airspace or something. But anyways, let's safely land back home. And that's a good landing.
So that was the video. Hope you liked it. Do not forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Happy flying!